What's up, y'all? Back with another vlog. Today we are working on painting this 3D print. You know, I had to do something for Halloween, so printed off a ghost that I designed. He's got headphones and all that good stuff, and yeah, we're gonna get that painted up. All right, so I primed up my man's ghost here about a few days ago. I think I did about 3 coats of a primer filler, and so I need to scuff it up and get ready for paint. But while I'm at it, in the last vlog I did mention reaching out to Amanda Tools in regards to that 16th inch end mill that broke on me, and they kind of just didn't really help at all. Like they responded to me and pretty much said that I didn't do anything wrong, but I just reached the breaking point of that end mill, which, you know, that was kind of obvious. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you go back and watch the last vlog. But long story short, I was running that end mill a lot slower than what they recommended, and so I was wondering if there's a possibility that running it slower caused it to break, or, you know, was I just unlucky, or whatever the case was. I was just trying to get some guidance as to like sort of what to look for, and yeah, I didn't really get any help from them. I kind of had to go do my own research. And, you know, to be fair, there is a lot of variables that goes into why an end mill might break like that. I mean, it could be your machine that's the problem. It could be a number of things. You know, maybe the router wasn't running exactly 18,000 RPMs like I think it is. All of these things could be a variable. I believe spindle speeds are probably more accurate. So, I mean, there's a whole lot of different variables that could cause an end mill to break. I don't know, I guess I was kind of expecting them to respond in that manner, to say, hey, you know, there's plenty of variables that could contribute to it, so you didn't necessarily do anything wrong, blah blah blah. Like, it just, I don't know, it just kind of came off like they weren't necessarily trying to help. But whatever, it is what it is. I'm not confident in repurchasing that end mill at this point. I'll probably just buy a much cheaper one and go from there. But anyway, I'm gonna get this scuffed up and start painting. So I made this print back in October. I did it for Halloween, and the reason why I had to do so much sanding on it is because back then I was using the normal speed resin that Frozen makes, which prints at a 0.15 millimeter layer height, which is not the best for details, and it also shows layer lines pretty bad. So you kind of got to do a ton of sanding. I've since switched over to the Speed Resin Plus that Frozen makes, which prints at a 0.05 millimeter layer height. So if you have not seen my review video of that resin, go check it out. I'll leave a link in the description. But as of right now, that is my go-to resin. I mean, it allows me to print fast, but also keep detail and not have to do so much sanding due to layer lines. So this video is a little short, mainly because I had filmed me painting this ghost, but I didn't get everything that I wanted to. I kind of got a little distracted in the process, and I still didn't kind of want to waste the footage. So it is what it is on that. I just wanted to say thank you to everybody that has been supporting me this far, and to let y'all know that I am going to start selling my art toys. I'm just working on the details of it, and if you're interested in buying one, let me know, and make sure you go follow me on Instagram to stay updated on everything, and so that you know exactly when it goes live. But other than that, I'll catch y'all on the next one.